What's up, everybody? So, I already upgraded my BIOS. I didn't want to go through that process. I was low-key kind of scared, but I think I did it. You're probably saying, like, why do I think? Because I don't remember what my BIOS was before because I did it in stream. But I used the flash drive, did it. They said in the video, well, what they say? They said in the video, like, oh yeah, if you're like really like outdated, you should update to one part, then another part. I did the update, and he said May though. I did the update, and it seemed like it went well. It took like 5 minutes, but the BIOS is updated. So now what we are going to do? Where is it? We're gonna put in this Ryzen 5950 CPU processor. Are you ready, bro, for my ping to be... No, not my ping. Are you ready for my FPS to be fucking higher than a motherfucker? Oh my god! Let's get this, everybody. So, come. So, take a look at the computer real quick. So, what we are gonna do is obviously unscrew it, put the thermal paste on, put the CPU on, put the thermal paste on, and we're gonna call it a day. Why is this flash not high enough?
It's not like you have to make it higher.
Alright, cool. I fixed the problem. We're back. So I shouldn't actually open that yet because I don't want to mess up the threads nor the pins. So what we my toe. Fuck. Fuck. And if you don't know who's behind the camera, it is Moria. She is back. So you obviously know when this video is being filmed. But hey, why can I not get this open, bro? Alright, cool. So, anybody else a little scared?
No, just you.
So, I would say, Burma, you should look at the video first. But who needs to look at the video when you actually know what to do? So we're gonna unplug that. Unplug this real quick.
Wait, I'm gonna pause it back on.
So we're gonna unplug this one real quick. I don't know what type of... It's probably the old one. It's for like PS3 controllers. What the fuck? It went out so easy though. Whoa. Okay, I can plug it back in. I'm just making sure. Touch the battery, everybody, because you don't want to shock yourself. So make sure you touch the battery. See me touching the battery? I'm making sure the static and all that stuff is not shocking me. But so yeah, we're just gonna unscrew this real quick. Dude, we're gonna undo. I remember when they said screw, like tighten it, or, well, I'm just doing that right now, but you're supposed to tighten your processor like every way. So one twist for that. No, I think it's 3 twists, 3 twists, 3 twists. Then get it tight, and just continue to do the process over and over.
Are you sure you shouldn't watch a video?
I've got this. Mm-hmm. All right, so we got the screws out. I'm actually not gonna put the flash on because I remember that they were saying how the thermal. It's easy to take it off. You just kind of gotta give it a little. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Whoa. Okay, I don't have that much space.
Do you need help?
Like this cord is like really shit. Okay, I'm lost. Like, not lost, but like confused. So we got. Does this piece on like undo? Nah. I think we just like I could make this work. Yeah, I got this. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna rest it back on like that. I have alcohol wipes or wipes. And these motherfuckers are gonna come in handy, bruh. Dang, alcohol prep. Cause we gonna prep this motherfucker. Dude, that reminds me of something.
Don't piss me off. TSPMO.
Alright, cool. So, what you gotta do next, everybody, is...
I'm zoomed in. They're gonna dry it out.
So we just wipe. But this motherfucker like strong. This thermal paste really dried up. God damn. God damn.
How many years has it been on there?
2 for me, maybe like 4 for the other guy.
Jesus.
Thing is, my update before I updated my thing was 2018.
Okay.
That's pretty much the debut of when I started streaming, pretty much, bro. I started like 2017. But damn, no, I think 2017 was when my YouTube account was made. Hey, bro, we actually deadass just needed to rub off the flipping the cooler, because we're gonna take this one apart.
That's gonna dry out. Do you need that?
No.
Okay.
So, I believe they just sit like that. Okay, good. We just take it up. Woo! Bang.
What does it look like?
That's what it looks like.
Mm.
I'm not gonna lie. Like the box, like when you get the random yada yada yada, it feels heavy. Oh.
Please be careful.
Don't worry. Okay, so the arrow's pointing this way, so I'm gonna remember that.
Arrow's pointing what way?
The arrow. This way, I think.
We can look back.
Okay, we're gonna put it by the Mr. Chicken Bag. Wiener, if you're watching this, don't say nothing.
Mr. fucking Chicken.
You said you was gonna get me on Slime Day, right? You know what Slime Day is, my love?
No, I've never heard of that.
Alright, cool. Because I remember those guys were like saying something about Slime Day and all that stuff, and I was a little confused.
Like Nickelodeon?
That's what I'm thinking. Alright, cool. So we're gonna cut this part out because I actually watched a YouTube video because I'm actually don't know what I'm doing. Did you cut it more?
No, I'm still recording. Oh.
Cut. Alright. So, my bad, little technical difficulties. So what we're gonna do is pop that motherfucker in. I'm scared! I'm so scared! People like, Twa, like, you got it. You was able to, like, you got this, da-da-da-da-da. I asked for help. I'm gonna just let it be known that I did not know what I was doing and I wanted help. So if you guys are trying to be like, burn me, oh my god, you're such an idiot. Wait a minute. Where the fuck is the arrow? Hey. Sorry.
Did you want to look back to see which way the arrow was going?
No, because I know the arrow was pointing like this. Wait. Oh, this one's different. So the arrow is pointing like this. It's pointing like that.
Okay.
But there's no like, I thought there was like a piece to kind of like. These pins are fucking crazy.
Are they different than your last one?
Oh, I see the arrow. It's so faded. Holy cow. It's like this though. Huh?
Should you tie your hair back? Because you keep whipping it back.
No, I got it, bro.
Okay. Should you put a marker on that?
The arrow?
Yeah.
No. I see the arrow. The arrow's right here and the arrow's right there.
All right.
Okay. I don't know this
Should I get in closer? I'm not getting off the bed though. So I'm as close as I can be.
Alright, cool. Okay, it's in.
It's in. Do you need your thermal paste?
Yeah. I know they said put the thermal paste in like an X, but we're gonna watch the video back again.
Go.
Alright guys, we ran across a couple problems. And what I mean by a couple problems, she was blowing like crazy. I can't lie. She was going
Wait, come here. You have some hair. Okay, keep going.
Yeah, she was going like but like I forgot that I unplugged one thing and I forgot to plug it back in, so she was kind of like screaming. Let me just show you what she was doing.
Jesus Christ, why are you gonna mess it up again?
Let me just show you what she was doing. You hear that? Roaring, bro.
Plug it back in.
That sounds like my PS5.
Plug it back in. Do you need to put this back on?
Yes, we're gonna put that back on, but let's just fully hook up everything. Probably run a couple games or whatever. But we're just gonna keep it on, let it run for like 10 minutes or so. Let that paste kind of heat in and whatnot. Yeah, I screwed that properly. But probably just hook up everything. But hey, one more thing that we got. You cut it. Oh yeah, you can start it back up. Alright, so we're just gonna plug up everything, hook it back up. But we're not even done there. I just hooked that up real easy. Come close. Zoom in to right here. Processor. AMD Ryzen 9 5950 16 core processor 3.
Thank you.
Probably half of that.
Thank you. This is
Oh, a little shot. Thanks, mom. Anyways, AMD Ryzen 9 5950. We gonna look nice. I want every single last sub to 1v1 me at once.
Okay.
It's gonna be how much subs I got?
5.87.
5.8 win. 5.8 wins. 0. Cause you wanna know why 0? Who's 0? You a 0. Bro, 1v1 you guys in any game, bro. It's just cookie, bro. Let's get it. We love to see that, bro. But anyways, we're just gonna hook up the rest of the monitors like I said previously. Why the fuck is this thing kind of? Hey yo. What the fuck? That's weird. But yeah. So we'll get back to you when we start dealing with the camera.
Bye. You're being whacked. He started doing it because I wanted to take a break. Go, man.
I just plugged it in and this just popped up instantly. So we are going to further. Where the fudge is my mouse? Okay, resume. Alright. Okay.
There's plastic all on that, you know?
Yeah.
Okay.
Definitely gonna take that out.
Should I pause?
Yeah.
Okay.
Damn. Okay, cool. So I forgot. I'm thinking my camera's broken and all that stuff, but I literally had a cover over my camera. But when we bring this sexy mod trucker done.
Jesus.
Damn. So they got the okay. So, damn. Fuck. Nigga. I need to shout that nigga out that really like told me get this, bro. Cause I was thinking about getting the Elgato one, but Elgato who, bro? He said if you really want the best of the best camera, webcam,
It's zoomed in on your
get
face.
the Razer Kio Pro Ultra. Look at it. Boom. Where the fuck I go?
There's still the film on it.
Exactly. Look. We're gonna take it up. Zoom in close.
It is. It's close.
Oh shit. Fuck, I can't pick it. Oh my god. Damn, you guys look cleaner now.
Yeah, it did get better. Stop being weird.
Bro, alright. Your camera looks so good. What do you use? Are you a streamer? Shit, maybe. Maybe I am, bro. Maybe I am. Processing 4K. We're running 4K 30 FPS right now. Imagine we try. What's this? 360. This is what my other camera looked like. Maybe a little better than this. Oh, they have. Okay, so the best they have is 1080 60 FPS. If you want higher FPS.
You should be recording this on your computer.
You know what? I should. Bet, watch this. Okay, so we had a little technical difficulties, but actually I think we're all Gucci now. I'm actually talking to you guys from where I actually record from. So I think we're chilling. I thought my camera was messed up because I was like, whoa, why the fuck is it not connecting, bro? I don't know why I keep on looking here when I should look there. But I think that's all for the video. I haven't quite tested on my FPS. That's why I'm gonna stream and hopefully my FPS. got my FPS, so hopefully that is good. If another problem is occurring, I give up, bro. I give up. But I'm not gonna lie, I think that's the end for this video. Without further ado, thank you guys for watching. If you made it towards the end, Burmy's really a PC mechanic, bro. Without further ado, I'll see you guys later. This has been your boy Brandon, it's your boy 99. Bye. Yeah, it's actually a new day. Yeah, so got the camera set up, got the what is it, processor set up. My bad, it's been like a couple of days, but I stopped to the store and got myself a little mouse pad. Spider-Man. Because I'm not gonna lie, I was gonna be like, ooh, should I get another keyboard as well? I don't play keyboard and mouse like that, but I use my like mouse obviously to make shit work. So my love, thank you so much for giving this to me. But I think it's time for it to kind of like expire. I think I should hang it up. I should probably hang it up, but yeah, building a better working world. How about spending money to have a better setup? Quote Burmy Boy 101. But yeah, back to the video. God damn. I don't think this is gonna fit my desk. God damn. God damn. It takes up. Bro, this thing takes up everything. Oh shit. Oh. Hey, I got it for like $15, so I was just like, go big or go home, gang. I'm gonna try and make this fit, but like, yeah, back to the video. Alright, I just set it up. It actually is, I'm actually glad it's this big, to be honest. Let me give you guys a little cheese. That's actually beautiful, bro. I can't lie. Well, yeah. Dang, I thought this was just gonna be a little processor, maybe a little focus. Okay, my bad. I'm sorry. Focus, please. Focus, please. Thank you. I thought this was just gonna be a little processor and a camera thing, but hey, fuck. There's nothing wrong with a little new mouse pad, cause the other one was good. It's just I could literally wind my arm everywhere from monitor number 1 all the way to my sexy TV. So you know this is good. And I heard there's like really good monitor mouse pads, but I'm not a gamer. One day I'll switch to keyboard. One day. Not today though.